How's she going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's workshop. Not much of a project in the shop today, just a quick little unboxing. Oh, imagine that. I was out shopping the other day and look what I found. This is a set of six 6-inch bar clamps. They're Jorgensen type. I got them at Kent Building Supplies in New Glasgow. They were on special for, I forget what I paid for them. 49, I can't remember, something like that. Anyway, they were a good price because clamps, anybody out buying clamps knows that they're expensive. So I'm going to open these up, just show you what they're like. Alright, so anybody who does any amount of woodworking, they know that clamps are valuable. You can't have enough clamps, that's for sure. It seems like whenever you want to do something, you need a clamp and you don't have one around. So I don't have very many. I think I've got, let me see, I've got 6 single hand squeezy clamps and I've got about 8 C clamps. But C clamps, well, they're cumbersome to use. Not the best. I say C clamps aren't the best. They're not the best for woodworking. C clamps have their place, that's for sure. Anyway, look at these. There's 6 of them, like I say. They nice cast iron jaws on them. The jaws look to be maybe 3 inches deep. Yep, 2 3/4 to 3 inches deep. So that's good. They also have the double piece clutch on them, and there's ribs on the bottom of the bar, and the bar is zinc coated, it looks like, to try to resist rust and wood staining and whatnot. Actually, there's notches on both the top and the bottom bar so that this clutch piece here will fit on it good, and they're quick adjust, so that's another good thing. So my concern when I bought these is like how much they can clamp, the width of them. So they'll certainly clamp a couple of pieces of wood face to face, but here, just as an example, I've got 2 pieces of 2x4 here. If I want to join those on the edge, well, I can't. So that might be a drawback. But really, the main reason I wanted to get these clamps was not to join pieces like this edge to edge or glue up a panel. It was probably, or I hope it's going to be, to glue something like this. So you just put that together like that, clamp it, and it holds it nice and tight and square. They say these are clamping pressure up to 600 pounds. Well, 600 pounds is probably way more than you'd ever need. So that's going to be good. Another thing you have to watch for in clamps is, well, a couple of things. For me, anyway, this is what I like to look for. I want to see how easy it screws in the moving jaw. And, well, that seems a little tight in spots. But I think it'll work loose. It'll be all right. The end of the clamp here, it's kind of like on a little ball socket, and it's captured well, and it's got a little rubber face on it. I've had clamps with the rubber faces before, and the rubber faces will come off just like that. But there's a nice smooth surface underneath that face, so like I don't think that's going to be a big concern for me. So that's good. They hopefully they won't mar the wood much when I'm clamping it. The other thing is, do they come together nice and straight here? I've had clamps where the jaws didn't line up, and every time you put pressure on them it would sort of roll off and move on you, and you don't want that. When you go to clamp something up, like if you're gluing wood together, you know, you usually spend a little bit of time getting it all lined up, then you put your clamp on it. Just as you start to tighten it, if the jaws aren't in alignment, then it'll move on you, and nobody likes that. But anyway, I guess what I'm trying to say is these appear so far to be nice looking clamps, and I got 6 of them, so that's pretty decent. Okay, so these clamps, they're pretty nice. I like the grip. The grip is easy to get a hold of though, like to put a twist on it. So that's going to be good, especially, you know, like when you get older. I always talk about getting older, man, oh man. I think I'm paranoid. But when you get older, it is harder to grip stuff. So that's a nice grip. It's a rubber grip and it's easy to hold on to. They adjust easily, and you can put quite a force on there. They're cast, so I think they're going to be nice clamps. So that's the story of my clamps. I think they're going to be a good addition to the shop. They're strong, rugged, bright, show up good, and they're easy to adjust. So, you know, I like that. Anyways, thanks for tuning in. I hope you liked the video. And if you're ever looking for clamps, I guess you call these F clamps. I call them bar clamps. Some people call them F clamps. Whatever. But anyways, they're nice. So if you like the video, click like, click subscribe if you haven't done so already. And we'll see you the next time in Grampie's Workshop. We'll talk to you.